So today, YouTube friends, is the beginning of my holiday break for this month of October. We'll be back at school by October 25. So this time we have 2 weeks vacation, and I hope we can spend that one cleaning here in front of the side front of the house, and I'll bring you to the other corner. So look at that, YouTube friends. It's so messy and lots of work to do here. Look at the onion chives that are blooming and glorious to watch in the previous 2 months. Right now they merge with the weeds, but hopefully I'll be able to replant them as we started to have good sunshine. Summer day will start by December, January, and now it's beginning of October, so we can expect to have less rain from then on. And see that one here, so we have lots of work to do. I'll be picking these sweet potato vines, slips, and I'll be transferring this one outside the fence. I'll be planting there. Look at that, a lot of dried leaves with the banana plants, and I'll be removing them. It will take another day, but today we'll be spraying herbicide to the weeds and the grasses outside here in the driveway outside the fence. Go in there and look at here. If you have watched our previous vlog last year, you can see that it's very clean right here in front of the house. But look at now, it's very messy, full of weeds, and this will be like 2 or 3 days or a week job, hopefully. So I'll be vlogging this one. At least I can upload some videos, not really that good videos, but it's a good memory for me to remember as the time passes by. Like after a year, looking back this time that I was able to clean right here in front of the house, and I'll be placing another sets of pots and somehow planting some vegetables as well. I have some seeds that was given by an Australian friend, just arrived from Australia, so I'll try to reproduce those seeds and let him see how I grow here and share some of the produce later on. So these are the update here. So messy, and it will be a ton of strength I need to work this out. So see you once again. Bye.